Real estate friends, what's up? My name's Hayden Crabtree and welcome to my audiobook of Skip to Flip 2, 3 Keys to Any Deal. Very excited to have you here. I want to give this book out for free, the audiobook to Skip to Flip 2 on my YouTube channel because I love you guys and I want you to crush it in real estate investing, and this is where you can listen to it absolutely free. But before we dive in, I just want to make sure, have you read or listened to this book? Because if you have not read or listened to my first book, it's not going to be nearly as impactful for you to listen to the second book. I sell the book on Amazon. I sell the audiobook on Audible. Just for my YouTube people, I am giving away this audiobook for free on 2 conditions. There's always a catch, right? Nothing comes free in life. First condition is I need you to subscribe to the channel. It would mean a ton to me. After you listen to some of this, hit the like button and share this video with a friend. Share it with another real estate investor who needs this information. And then number 2 is I need you to leave me a review on Amazon, just an honest review on Amazon. That would be very helpful. I have over 900 reviews, 5-star reviews on this book, and I need to get more reviews on this book. So it would mean the world to me if you enjoy the content, if you would please leave me a review on Amazon for this book. And by the way, if you haven't read this book and you need to read this book before we dive into this one, you can have this book in PDF or audiobook absolutely free. All you have to do is go to haydencrabtree.com/free book. With that being said, let's learn about some real estate and let's dive in.